You need this. This kit is great for emergency repairs, minor injuries, or God forbid you need to signal a distress. This is a SeaKit. And I'm Captain Kelly, super excited to bring you the Qualified Captain Tip of the Week and show you what's inside.
So I told you I was going to show you what was in the SeaKit. First off, we got an SOS light. We got some paracord. We've got a first aid kit. You always need one of those. We've got a Leatherman tool. I'm sure my guys will try to steal this from me, but you can always use one of these. It's a multi-tool. We've got plugs for little holes, big holes, God forbid any kind of hole. Again, another plug for a little hole. We have got a distress signal, flashlight. We've got some self-vulcanizing tape, batteries, and we've got some stay afloat, some instant plug and sealant. We've got some really strong waterproofing tape, just a wider roll. Same thing, but smaller. We've got hose clamps. In case you're wondering why we need hose clamps, is because, believe it or not, if you're boating long enough, you will have a time that you a hose clamp breaks, something like that, and you need some extra hose clamps, more batteries, a whistle, a dry bag, and lastly, and you can never have too many of these, some zip ties. And in case you're wondering where I got this, Vessel Band card. I highly recommend that you get one of these. Call them up, tell them you want a SeaKit, and tell them Captain Kelly sent you. You need this. You have got to have one. I used to call it my sink kit, sometimes called it my oh shit kit, and used to put them together all of the time on my own until I found this. This is SeaKit. And I'm Captain Kelly, super excited to bring you the Qualified Captain Tip of the Week.